Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, the value of 6 over bracket open square roots, another word square root, 9 minus square root of 3 bracket close raised to the power of 2 is. Now how do we solve this question? Let us go. All right, now let's have the question again. 6 over, now brackets open. Now there's a bigger square root here, another square root, 9 minus square root of 3 bracket close raised to the power of 2. Okay, now this is equal to 6 over, now let us try to take away the square root. Okay, so 2 and this square root goes off. Okay, so what are we left with? We are left with what? Root what? 9. Okay, root 9 minus what? Root 3. Is that clear? So this will give me, now the square root of 9 is 3 minus what? Root 3. Is that clear? All right, we can't leave our answer like this. We have to what? Rationalize. All right, so we are going to be doing this. Here becomes 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. Is that clear? Now let's try to multiply. 6 times 3 is what? 18. All right, then 6 times root 3 is plus 6 root 3 over, now let's do the same thing here. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. All right, minus times plus is minus. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Is that clear? So at the end of the day, I'll be having 18 plus 6 root 3 over 9 minus 3 is what? Is 6. Am I communicating? So at the end of the day, I can leave my answer like this, or I can still continue. So 18 over 6, okay, plus 6 root 3 over 6. Is that clear? All right, 6 here is 1, 6 here is what? Is 3. 6 cancels 6, so my answer is 3 plus what? Plus root 3. So this is our answer. Thank you.